So today we're talking about this guy and why it doesn't suck. Stick around. What's going on, everybody? I'm Original Dobo and I do drone and tech related content. So if that's your thing, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button at the end of this video. Today we're going to be talking about this guy, the Osmo Pocket, which for me was just a weird device all around, and I really was trying to understand why. Just like, why would you make this if you still have this? It just doesn't make any sense. But the more and more I started thinking about this product and really sort of sat down and looked at some of the videos, I can understand why it exists. And there's good reason for it, and the Osmo Pocket Mobile doesn't actually suck. I don't know if Osmo Pocket Mobile, it's just Osmo Pocket. Anyways, it's super tiny and we're actually filming with it right now. I actually have it connected to the smartphone and it looks rather good actually. I'm actually surprised. I'm actually digging this setup. And if you are a YouTuber, especially an aspiring vlogger or somebody who's just getting into the industry, one of the biggest ways you can really improve the quality of your content is just having stable footage, and this is going to deliver. So we're going to get into some more use case scenarios, but we're just going to talk about this in this video, and hopefully at the end you'll understand why it doesn't suck. So let's move around. So I thought we would do a little office tour too, a little vlogging while we're using the Osmo Pocket. So far, I really like the small size, but I don't think I've ever showed you guys my office ever. I know you've seen my computer, you sort of see what's behind me, but you don't see all the chaos that's going on. So let me do that. I think we can spin this around, right? There it is, it's spun around, cool. All right, so this is where like 90% of the videos are filmed right here, this ring light, which I like. Let's see how the auto ISO works on this. Ooh, that actually works pretty good. So ring light, my boom mic with the boom arm, and I'm usually recording directly into the camera with this. As of late, I just sort of plug this in, or I use a Zoom H1 with that. So lots of lanyards, lighting, lots of lights, always need a lot of lights. And then of course I have like a setup table here where I'm setting up, you know, basically whatever it is I'm going to be filming at the time, or I use this as a product table. And I have another product table here, which is basically where most of the video and product reviews happen today. Camera, I've been using the A6300 lately, and lots of boxes. These are all empty boxes. I just can't find myself throwing them away though. I feel like I need to keep them. And then I have another desk here where this is actually where I do my real work for like my real job. All happens right here. So I have a ThinkPad on a dock, mount it, 2 monitors, more clutter and boxes and everything. Another, ooh, I don't want to lose this. This is the cover for the Osmo. So yeah, this is where all that happens. Shelf, gear, I keep gear down here. And then of course behind me, I have my computer where I do all my videos edited from, and then along with, anytime I'm doing a live stream, it happens from this behemoth right here, which I call this computer, because it's running a Ryzen processor, I call him Kylo Zen. You get it? Kylo's, it's a pun. And then I have my travel laptop behind there, and then again, a plethora of disaster here. Just basically, thought it'd be cool to sort of use the Osmo Pocket to do this in a vlog set, and then I have all my wires mounted under here. Let's see how this tracks and does low light. So all of that jazz there. So killing 2 birds with 1 stone with the Osmo Pocket. But yeah, so that is the office. Like everything, that's where all the videos get done. It's not big, it gets really hot in here. With all these computers in here, this office gets hot. But wow, man, I gotta tell you what else gets hot is the Osmo Pocket. Right now my hand is a little zesty. Let me flip this around. Whew. So my hand is actually getting a little toasty. This thing gets a little warm. which is actually shocking, but I'm sure those, I wish I had a wider angle lens. I feel like I'm really holding this out like far, so it's not right up on my face, but I don't know. You guys let me know. How's the audio with this? I think the audio is pretty trash with this little thing, but that's just my opinion. But the good news is, at least with this, we can go ahead and get the attachments to mount a microphone. It's just going to be interesting as to where that microphone actually mounts. I guess it's going to mount to the bottom, and then maybe you can get yourself a small mic, like, I don't know, what is that mic I have? The Rode Video Mic Pro, and then you can just mount it, and then you're like good to go. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be testing this thing, putting it through its paces. I think there's a lot of cool things what we can do with this, at least for me anyways. Also, if you're like in realty or something and you want to make your own videos and get super stable footage, get yourself an Osmo Pocket, and it's an easy way to, you know, get super silky smooth footage on the cheap. And obviously for people who are active, these are pretty cool. The tracking features are cool. It's sad that there are no tracking features when you're using the 4K 60. Like, it can't actively track my face. Like, it's not following along with me in 4K 60. So hopefully some of these things change and we get more functions like maybe desync-alike or something like that. But all in all, I do think this is pretty cool. I mean, it feels very well made anyways. It just gets a little toasty, but if you can get past all of that, connect your phone, hook it up, you are good to go. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of this video quality. Again, this is the Osmo Pocket. I keep wanting to call it mobile. It's the Osmo Pocket. I'm rambling. I'll see you guys the next time. Stay original.